Do you have a giant tangled mess of cables? I'll tell you which ones you should throw away and the ones you should really keep. So VGA cables, these were once used to connect a PC or a laptop to a monitor, but they're mostly obsolete now. RCA cables, so these were used to connect your DVD player or VCR to your TV, but almost all new TVs now use HDMI instead. The Apple 30-pin cable. These were used to charge and transfer data for old iPhones, iPads, and iPods, like this one. Any proprietary cables. If you no longer know what it goes to or definitely don't have what it used to go to, just get rid of it. Now, you can throw these cables in the trash, but really you should recycle them instead. You can take them to most Best Buy retail locations or find an e-waste recycling center on the EPA's website or recyclenation.com. Now you know the cables to get rid of. What about the ones that you should keep? If you have any one of the hundreds of devices that uses micro USB to charge, for instance a Kindle or a gaming console controller or even most old Android phones, keep these around because they'll really come in handy. USB-C. These universal USB cables are now widely used to charge most Android phones and some laptops. If you have a MacBook, you're going to need one of these to connect it to an external display or a television. Auxiliary cables. Now, the only reason to keep these around is if you have a phone that still has a headphone jack and a speaker or car stereo system with an auxiliary port.